Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, on Friday, a man entered the mosque through Darul Qaza while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering the sermon standing. Turning his face towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the property has perished and the roads have got bared. So supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to pour rain down on us. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised the hands and submitted, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour rain on us. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour rain on us. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour rain on us. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we saw neither any cloud nor even a patch of cloud, nor was there any house or locality between us and Mount Sal'in. Then from behind the mount there ascended a shield-length cloud, and reaching the center of the sky, it spread and then it started raining. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, then we did not sight the sun for a week. The next Friday, a man entered by the same door while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering the sermon standing. He stood facing the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, the property has finished, the roads have got bared, so you may supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to stop the rain. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam again raised his hands and supplicated, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour it around us, not upon us. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour it on the mounts, the heights, the valleys, the places where trees grow. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, the rain stopped instantly and we start walking in the sun. The reporter says that he asked Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu, was he the same person who came the first time? He said, I don't know. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2075.